The sample process is important in garment and footwear manufacturing. So let's review one of the options we have in the AFS solution. This is an example of a style that is in sample process. At the beginning I can select a sample size and a sample color. Okay. The option also is to set up a sample status on the style. Okay. I can have just a small picture, and of course the sample process will be tracked using a routing based on predefined activities like design, proto sample, any stages during the sample process. Once I have this in the style, okay, I can rename if needed. Okay, for example, if there is a fit sample, usually all the activities are predefined on a template, and then I can create a project only to track the sample process or the sample order. So let's enter a code. And add this. Of course, I can just select if there is an end date as a backward or forward planning. Okay. And then recalculate all the dates and the solution based on the lead time of each one of the activities. We propose the target dates for each one of them. So right now, if I right click, I have an overview of all the activities. There is also an option to link the sample order to the project, so I can track also the quantities and the ID of the order. The other option will be from the style create a quotation, okay, for the sample style with a required date, and that will be sent to my factory with all the tech pack information that could be attached to the order and sent by email to the vendor. Of course, I can change the required quantity and required date, that you can predefine that if needed. And I can, of course, go and say, this is my sample order or quotation in this case, because I'm quoting to different factories, and that's an option to link different documents to each one of the activities, so all user will access the documents in SAP and also on the web PLM. Now there is an option to select the vendor, the final vendor for the sample. So you can create a PO, again based on the quotation, and select the vendor. So the PO will be created as a sample order, okay, with the estimated date of arrival, and you can add this to the system. update the critical path, of course. Of course, that is our first sample order. You can have multiple orders for each one of the vendors. And see the track between all the documents inside SAP even this one.